Hello and welcome in our new video. Today here in this video we are going to learn and trick about how to create the shortcut for the web page or the website. So let us start. To create shortcut for the particular website or web page, we first open our Google Chrome web browser. So first we have to open this Google Chrome, and now you have to type the particular web address here. In the web address, you need to type the web address in the address bar of a Google Chrome browser. So I have my website address, so I just click paste, or I just type here this web address. Now click enter. Now this website or the web page is open in this web browser. So now we have to click on the customize and control Google Chrome option or button. This button is appear at top right corner of your web browser screen, or you can click on the vertical dots on the right top corner of your web browser. So click there. Then you have to click on the more tools option. In the more tool option, you find create shortcut option. Here you have to click on the create shortcut option. Exactly below the save page as, you will get this create shortcut option. So when you click on this create shortcut, the Chrome will ask create shortcut. It's asking you where you want to create or create shortcut dialog box. So you have to write the name for the particular shortcut which you want to create, and this name you have to write here. I write here all about computers, and below you will find the checkbox with caption open as window. If you want to open the particular address or the web page in a or as a window, so you have to click on this checkbox and click create button. So when you click on the create by clicking the checkbox, you find this type of window, and here the address bar is not shown to you. So this way you can create this shortcut. We have to check whether the shortcut is created or not. Here the shortcut is created. When you click on this icon or the shortcut icon, you will open that particular website. So we have to double click on this to open the particular website which we created as a shortcut. So double click on this and this will open in front of you. Okay, here we choose the option, we click on the checkbox so that this screen is open as a window. So this website can work for you here. Okay, you can click there. All the links and all that you are working in your browser. You can scroll it down and all these things. You can create the particular shortcut for any website or any web page which you want to. Okay, so now again we going to create this shortcut. Now here I have copied the particular path or the web address, so I just paste here. So by pasting this, by typing this web address, press enter. So the web page will open in front of you, and just click on the customize and control Google Chrome. On that, click on more tools, and there you have to click on create shortcuts, and in create shortcut box you have to type your name for that shortcut. So, and if you click here on this open as window, so it will open as a window and you don't get there this address bar. So here we are not clicking on this checkbox, or we are not check this checkbox. We just create this without checking this box. Okay, create. By creating this shortcut, you will find this here on your desktop, and just double click on it. On the clicking here, you will find this address bar is appear in front of you. So friend, this way you can create the shortcuts for your website or the web pages, and you need not to type the particular web address when you created the shortcut for the web address. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for new videos, new tricks, new techniques. If you like this trick, please subscribe, share and like our video. Thank you.